Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is the Ugly Handed Crafter, where I show you crafting from the perspective of someone who has not the best hands and struggles with eczema, and finding things and deals and crafting through my eyes and my experience. So today we're going to be going to Homesense, something different today. And what we're going to be doing is comparing Homesense versus Dollarama and Dollar Tree, see if we can find some similar items. So again, these wood eggs, I love them because I find they're probably easier to paint. They're really, really cute. I also love these wood eggs. I could see Dollarama or Dollar Tree, most likely Dollar Tree, find something like this there, but I haven't seen anything. But, you know, I'm attracted to pink. This is a nice fab find, and I have seen these at Dollar Tree before in a smaller scale, same style. It's definitely something that you can add to your decor piece in your home. Again, more wood eggs, and you can get them at this place called Lee Valley, which I'm hoping to try and do some DIYs. Again, pink, you know, look at my my sweater is pink as well. So I do love this kind of look, and I think you could do something creative. Dollar Store does have this rope. I don't know if it's jute. I don't know what the specific name is, but if you just want to tackle something and just to say that you actually did it, you definitely can buy the cord from Dollarama. Also, this can be a DIY project as well. There's lots of bins that you can glue the twine on it just to see if you can actually do it. We have seen this style at Dollarama already, and you can definitely add some twine from Dollarama to get that look at the top, or you can add like a little linen bag inside. These are super cute. I just love them so much. Oops. Ooh, something fell. Yeah, these are really cute. I mean, if you really wanted to, you can spray paint them, but I think a lot of them are on clearance and reasonably priced, so you don't have to. You could buy it there. However, if you have the stuff at home, you can just do it yourself. They do have mirror gold and gold chrome spray paint, and of course, I have that at home, so I could definitely do a DIY with this watering can. So lots of clearance happening already. Oh, I just love these so much. It's very modern, chic. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. This style is also at Dollarama. Same kind of style, ceramic. They have it in different colors, but also something you probably would see at Dollarama for sure. And we keep seeing these, but this is a smaller version. This is $5, but Dollar Tree has them for $1.25. Not the exact color, but they do have beautiful regal colors. I was also attracted to this, which is a nice statement piece. For all those Rae Dunn lovers out there, definitely can do some Rae Dunn inspired items because there's some wood birdhouses that are out there as well. I wish Dollarama would have something like this because I think this is so cute to spray your flowers. And again, floral. Dollarama has floral. Dollar Tree has floral. You could definitely do something on a smaller scale, more cheaper if you like. Lots of colors here. These are quite large and beautiful. It's quite nice. I do love these. You definitely can DIY these out of paper. Again, using stuff that you already have in your house. We can definitely make something beautiful like this out of craft paper, and yeah, beautiful decor and for like parties. This is like the boho chic look, and they have it in white as well, but definitely an easy DIY if you have the items already at home. I have been looking for beads for the longest time, and I know for a fact that Michael sells these beads, package of beads, for like so expensive, like $29.99. Even with the coupon, it's expensive. But this is $14.99. Again, if you have the items at home, you can make this. Oh, it's as if there was a sign for me to buy some more of these. I did buy one for a decor setup for Valentine's Day, but like these are totally on trend, and so is Dollar Tree. Oh, this is so circa 1970s, but with a modern twist, like boho chic. And I do love these candle holders. Again, at Dollar Tree, I'm going to show you later on in the video. This is also a great style that you can do, again, from Dollar Tree items. And I'm going to show you my inspiration and show you how you can do it. But even these items you can get from Dollar Tree and kind of make your own DIY. Yeah, same kind of style. It reminds me of Arizona. Like it's very like abstract art, modern chic, Arizona, desert Texas kind of thing. Or yeah, even this you can make it from Dollar Tree items. But again, it's better to just repurpose what you have to make it work and to save money. Another lots of abstract art, neutral, minimalistic art, and definitely things you can find at the Dollar Tree. I just happened to fall off on this, and I just want to show you this because I love Bob Marley. But like, even pieces of art, like you can find art in these kind of things. I know, like the records are old school, but like it's kind of a vintage inspired, just for decor. I love this mirror, and I've been looking for one for so long. There's a store, I think it's called Art House in the States, and this thing is expensive, but these ones are reasonably priced. Not the huge floor length one, but definitely beautiful for your home decor. And if you're into that modern kind of vintage sleek design, I think these were $79.99. I think pretty reasonable, and I'm sure you won't be seeing them for a while. I do like to go and look at their setups that they have in the store because it's actually really merchandised really well. Okay, so forever looking at acrylic storage. Remember we found this acrylic storage at Dollarama for $4. They do have them here, but lots of acrylic storage. And then of course a little bunny pillows if that's your thing. Again, that's a nice stuff. I was looking and looking for specific storage container, and of course they don't have it, but I'm going to keep looking. They did have this one, but it doesn't open the way I wanted to. All right, so let's go to Dollar Tree and see if we can see some inspired items that we saw at Homesense, and see if we can kind of get the gist of what was going on, the whole minimalistic, artistic vibe going on. So here we go. So of course they do have floral, so we don't even have to worry about that. We can definitely put something together, put it in a vase. And the piece de resistance, here we go. So they do have them. May not be the exact colors, but definitely the champagne is beautiful. And look at this. You can definitely do something where you take the candle holder, some E6000 and some glue, and there you have a beautiful centerpiece for your candles. Like this is totally like, oh, so beautiful. All right, so here we go. We have the nice minimalistic nude stickers. You can definitely put them on a frame or like a piece of wood and just get the exact same look. Totally the exact same look. I found another one, exact same look as Homesense. So you could use the wood boards from Dollar Tree or Dollarama, stick them on. If you really wanted to give it a nice look, you can varnish it. So there you have it. You could also use these kind of shadow boxes and put the material or the jute cord in there, and it gives you the same vibe. You could actually paint it. Like, so there's lots of shadow boxes where you can do that same kind of stuff on a smaller scale. So I'm going to show you soon. I was looking for, also these are new items too. Oh, sorry. Cricut. If you guys ever want Cricut items, sometimes they have them, their version. Okay, so I did find some cord, and you could definitely make something work. Your glue gun, do some line art. Actually, just get really creative, and you could even sew it on to a piece of material if you're into embroidery and put it in there, and like you literally have a beautiful piece of art that you made by yourself. Again, a lot of times we have these stuff and we honestly don't know what to do with it. So this is great. This is also really cute to look a cross stitch pattern. You could actually just make your own pattern and use the cross stitch to stitch. You don't have to use that style, but stitch it the way you want it. So there's your idea for that. Of course, I didn't see these before, but I love the pink as usual for Valentine's Day. I always like to see what Valentine's goodies they have. I was looking for the gnomes, but the cashier had told me that someone literally bought the whole entire thing. My goodness. But anyways, I'll keep a lookout. I went to another Dollar Tree because, All the Dollar Trees are literally 10 minutes apart from each other on my way home, so I had to. So here we go. So these metal die cuts are really nice for your decor. I hadn't seen all the different styles of the trucks, so this is beautiful. That's a spring one. Another Valentine's Day spring one. Very cute addition to your actually spring decor, not just Valentine's Day. I hadn't seen these. I love this so much. If you're doing tier trays, it's so nice. So, so nice. And they're pretty sturdy. I think that's a new bunker. I haven't seen that one or trailer. And here's another XOXO sign. Oh, here's another one. So very cute for Valentine's Day for your tier tray. This is a new item. Watch me whip. Haha. But again, this is something you could add to a housewarming gift. They have so many. They see me rolling, they hating. There's another one in there. Baker's Gonna Bake. But like this is a great addition to a gift for someone who's getting their first home, and reasonably priced and very cute. So that's pretty much what I seen today, and I hope that inspired you to find things to make them luxury. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe and stay tuned. And stay tuned for more goodies. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.